Victorinox Alox version of the Mini Champ. Oh, it's so small. It's really so small and interesting. Looks so small. Oh, it's not very thick. Wow, this is like a work of art. This thing is so nice. So small. But wow, this is really so nice. Such a tiny scissors. This paper. Oh, this is nice. And this is the magnetic ripset screwdriver, wire stripper, and the cap lifter. Blade. Oh, so small blade. Blade is so small. And then there is the writing there. Bit of oil. Victorinox Swiss made. That's the knife. Or Coca-Cola with this spoon, with cuticle pusher. You do like this. You could use it for sand. You can pick up some sand from here, put it. This was originally for medical purposes, I guess, but yeah, not here. The next one, yeah. Oh, so much oil here. You have a ruler of 3-4 centimeters, 2.5 inches, I guess. Super oily. This is the orange peeler number 10, or a scraper. That's scraper, I guess. This is the official name. So the next one, oh, this is the emergency plate or letter opener. Nail file and nail cleaner. This is the Victorinox MiniChamp. I think I will have this on my keychain, probably. It's really light and keys friendly. It doesn't look like it could get damaged very easily. It looks like it would not get damaged very easily when it's between keys. It's really such a tiny from the Mini Champ. Nice.